y'all, so I'm back with another video and we are going to be organizing again today. We are going to be working on the linen closet that is in our master bathroom. It has just become a catch-all for any and everything. Cleaning products to towels to sheets to medicine. Kind of has a little bit of everything, back stocks of things. In my last video, organization video, I organized underneath my bathroom sink. So I did clean out a little bit of it by putting those things under my bathroom sink, but there is still a lot more that needs to be purged and organized. So I thought I'd bring you guys along so you could see how I organize everything. I picked up some great baskets from HomeGoods and then got some organizational stickers from the Container Store. They did have like a whole kit like for your organizing your bathroom, but I decided I wanted to go a little bit different and get these wicker baskets from HomeGoods just to kind of change it up and give it more of that cozy homey feel. I didn't want any like clear bins where you could see any and everything. I kind of wanted to disguise a little bit, but I did want to know what's in the basket. So I got some great basket labels that will help me know what's in each basket. So let's get started. I'm going to remove everything from the closet here.
On the highway, it's our way, Route 66, and we keep on driving. We just do what we wanna do. Yeah, no, nothing's complicated with you. Hey, playing songs on the radio, sing along to the words that we don't know how. Brings out the wildness. Let's just run away. Yeah, I could drive the whole night long. Being with you is like being on the rodeo highways. Brings out the wildness. I got a little crush on you. You say that I'm crazy.
Okay, y'all, so I just finished doing our linen closet and I think it turned out really great. I pretty much had everything I needed, which works out good. There were a couple of labels missing, like one for nails, and then I have like a section of like cotton balls and Q-tips and stuff, so I'm not really sure which label to use for that. But the Home Edit on their website, you can actually order more labels, like you can personalize to say whatever you want, and then they just have some additional ones. So I may check those out to see what other options they have. If not, then I would just use some of the ones that were left in the packet. Like there was one that just said bath. I could use that, but I'm gonna check the website just to see, to make it even more perfect for me. But I wanted to share with you guys what everything looks like, what categories I used, and what it all looks like. So without further ado, here is our new organized linen closet.
With you, your laughter takes me to heaven. I just wanna make you repeat it and repeat it again. Yeah, you make the sky so blue. No, nothing's complicated with you. Hey, playing songs on the radio, sing along to the words that we don't know how. Brings out the wildness. Let's just run away. Yeah, I could drive the whole night long. Being with you is like being on the rodeo highways. Brings out the wildness. I got a little crush on you.
This is my everyday medicine. I just wanted to have it like easy access so I could just grab it in the morning, take all my medicine, and go and make sure I have everything that I need. And then the center here is where I have like my cotton rounds, cotton balls, and then Q-tips. And then I just have some toilet paper over here. I need to bring the rest of it up upstairs. And then in this basket here, I have all of our first aid items. So I have my blood pressure machine, some alcohol peroxide, and some Spartan tape, which is really great, by the way. And then I got this really cute first aid box from Marshall's, and it's just a white like tin container. Has a little tray here, easy access for like band-aids and thermometer and everything. And then I have a couple of things in here. I need to like redo our first aid station. We ran out of a lot, so I need to replenish that. And then next I have our pharmacy basket, which is all of the other medication that I don't take every day or that my husband may need. So in here I have this really awesome table turner, and it's just a clear table turner. That way we can see all the medicines that we need. This just makes it really easy. And I had planned on just leaving the turntable out in the middle of the baskets, but I liked just putting it away so you don't really see all the different types of medicines, and you can still turn it in the basket fairly easy. And then on the top shelf above that, we have a basket here. I don't have a label for this one because there wasn't one in the pack that matched it. But this is my nail stuff for doing my nails. So in here, I just have all of my stuff for my dip powder, some like nail removal stuff, and then some nail polishes and nail polish remover. So I just keep all that in there because sometimes I like to do my nails myself. So I like to have all that stuff on hand. I need to order a sticker that says nails for that. And then the next basket is travel. So this is all of my travel size items and then my travel bags that I use to pack all my toiletries in. So I just have 3 different toiletry bags that I use. This is my newest like Vera Bradley hanging organizer. I got that recently this past year. And then these other 2 bags are from Victoria's Secret, and I've had those for a couple years. I normally put all of my bathroom stuff in this one, and then all of my hair care and makeup into this bag. There's like a smaller one in there that I used to put my makeup in, but now I'm trying to transfer into using this because I like that I can hang it on like the back of a door or something whenever I'm traveling. And then I just got that Louis Vuitton dupe makeup bag with all my makeup. And then in this bag here, I just have a bunch of different like toiletry items, travel size things. So just like shampoos, conditioners, all those type of things. I just put them all in this bag so that I can find them easily. And then the last thing here at the very top, I have a basket with our towels, and that is about it. So that is our new linen closet. I don't have anything for our sheets. I was thinking about getting another basket to put up there with the sheets. I may go back and see if they have another one that I can use for that. But for now, this is what we have. I do keep our sheets in our guest bedroom in the dresser. So that's why I don't have them in here right now. But I think it turned out really great. I'm excited. So I think the space is a lot more functional now. It looks better. And I'm just overall very happy with it. I think it's a great transformation from what we had before. And I think everything is a lot more accessible now, like our Q-tips and cotton rounds and everything we can just grab real quick and go as needed, as well as like our first aid and medicines too, because everything was kind of just like tossed in one big basket and it was just getting lost trying to separate everything. So I'm super happy with how it turned out, and I hope you guys enjoyed following along as I organize this space. If you like these types of organizational videos, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe so you never miss out on any of the videos. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.